Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the files you'll use. Get a PNG background sized to the stage, typically 16:9 or your target resolution. Once done, place the image into the project's assets/images or mods/your mod/images. Make sure the file name is lowercase and has no spaces. You should also open the mods/your mod/stages directory now, because you'll create or edit the stage file that tells Psych Engine which background to load and how to position it on screen. Next, edit the stage file that controls the background. In Psych Engine, you can use a Lua script or an XML stage. You'll add the image via add Lua sprite, BG name, path/to/image, or an image element. Set scroll factor to control parallax, for example 0. 9 for subtle movement. Position and scale with set property, BG name. X, value and scale object. Place it behind characters by adding it before the HUD or using set object order. This makes the BG look natural in-game. Finally, run Psych Engine and test the new background immediately. Observe alignment, scale, and parallax during different camera movements. If the image doesn't appear, check the file path and exact file name case, because game engines are case-sensitive, and confirm it's in the correct mods/images folder. If it appears but is layered wrong, use set object order or move to back to reorder it. If parallax looks off, tweak scroll factor and scale until it sits naturally with characters and foreground elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.